Okay, this is season 6. We're gonna try spear Javazon for the test stuff. This is Fetron, 200 density, 10% max life. I have no PDR at the moment with Act 1 Mercenary, this, and I'm missing one facet here. I swapped my Mara to 3 skill, one facet here, and I couldn't fit T-Mite on the Merc because I'm missing EK gloves, but it's whatever. And I'm afraid to test with no PDR, but let's see how it performs. On the defensive side with no PDR. I mean, damage is insane. But let's see if we have any problem with fanatism, compacts. I know damage is gonna be there, but I'm just afraid of getting sniped by and fanatics. I really wanna see Fanapek. Compact, yes. And we got hit by 1k. We got hit by 1k. No! Yeah, I spammed you like a madman right there. And my pack? My hand is on the Jew, still. This is a bit scary, not gonna lie. Yeah, when you get it by 1k, even 500, 1k compared to strong shard, PDR. Yeah, I'm scared. And you don't have any range option as well. And keep in mind that this character haven't died yet. After I start mapping, so I mean, this shot needs shaftstop. There is no other way. I don't think dungo cuts. I'm gonna skip that. It takes so much time. I'm just gonna rush the boss and close the video. I mean, clear speed is insane, sure. I mean, it's same as my T-stroke guy. Even a bit faster in some cases because of the movement speed. Again, my pack My hand is on you. I'm just gonna rush the boss. I mean, boss damage gonna be insane, but let's record it for the video. Oh, even without amp and no. Where is the boss? I wanna test it. Random core. But we can use core, right? So much strength. No. Do I have? I need IS dungo. That's the problem. I don't have IS dungo. I mean, this is super scary, man. This is super scary. Like, I'm shitting on my pants. Like, even without that archer CPU, like what? 1k? 500? I mean, the clear speed is insane. Yeah. I mean, this is as good as maybe a little bit good. A little bit better than T-stroke shield composition. Yes, small technique. I mean, if I had Tyrell Might, Tapton Might on the mod, I would reach a bit more, but it's not about the reach, it's about the damage you take is so much without shield and PDR. Yeah, even tiny archers hit you like 500 times. This is so scary. So you need to put shaftstop here. Possibly. I don't think Dungo cuts this. Yeah, you need to use shaftstop. There is no way you can get away with this. And with shaftstop, I mean, let's say which shaftstop unit, and considering I have insane gear and insane resistance, you need to resist you probably. This is 30 Mara, 20 and 19 and around 6, yeah, 6 all this stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's the video. You decide.